Hi. Well, if you saw my other videos, you know what this pool looked like and you know all the steps we took to get it from green to clean. In those videos, I told you that I might need to use Algaecide, even though the Leslie's Green to Clean program didn't call for it. And sure enough, I did. In almost every pool that I've cleaned or taken from green to clean, you get it clean, the algae fights back a little bit. You have to come back a couple more times, and you have to. I've fought it off with Algaecide and just applying the correct amount of chlorine. So this is the result. We still are high CYA, extremely high CYA. It's too hot to drain, but my client has been enjoying this pool ever since we took it from green to clean.